Hello, 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 it's Alison from Bag Ladybird Learn to Sew. So today I have got another fabric haul video for you, and I'm really excited about this one because this fabric is a bit unique in the fact that I had two of my students tag me in it or send me photos of it, basically saying I saw this and thought of you. So when I've had two recommendations from two different people, I really thought it was something that I should try. So here we go, it was delivered, I ordered, it's from Dolly's Fabrics, and it wasn't on their website yet. So I had to contact them through the Facebook page and get them to send it out to me. So they invoiced me really quickly. I think I paid the invoice on Wednesday and it was delivered to me on Friday. It arrived pretty quickly from placing the order. It was first class large letter in this fab pink shipping bag. So I'm just we've got some stickers on here saying what it is from. So they're in Derbyshire, Netherheath. Dolly's Fabric. Ooh. Oh my. I like this. Yeah, so it's a cotton lawn. So I've ordered 3 meters of this. Absolutely no idea what I'm going to make. Now I want to make something that makes the fabric the star, because when you've got something as wonderful as this, you want to show it off. So it's really light and soft, floaty. Some cottons can be a bit crisp. This one is soft. It is going to crease, obviously. It's 100% cotton. Natural fibres do tend to crease more than synthetic fibres, and it will be one-way direction, so I'll need to think about what I'm doing so it doesn't so that I place all the pattern pieces the right way round. So 3 meters of this, £2.50 post and packaging, and I think that's a pretty good deal actually. I think I'm really pleased, well, I know I'm really pleased with this fabric. I think it's great, and we'll be using this soon. So keep an eye on my Facebook page to see what I make. Check out Dolly's Fabrics Facebook page or website to see other fabrics that they've got, because this isn't actually the first fabric I've bought from them. I bought a Scandi print needle cord back in maybe November when I made the Matilda dress from Megan Nielsen. So yes, go and check them out because they definitely have fabrics that float my boat. I've purchased twice, like I said, purchased twice from them. But fast delivery, personalised service, you can't go wrong.